show you how you can repair the thread on a CV axle. You go online to buy the tools and they're like $125. You don't need to buy these. All you need is an angle grinder. And I know this is a tool, but you can go to Harbor Freight, pick up one of these for $11, sometimes $8 if you have a coupon, and you pick up one of these for I believe $3. So total you're gonna spend $11 to $14, which is very cheap, and you will use this. I use it all the time. It's very cheap, but it works and it never failed so far. All right, so let me show you how you can fix this, but I'm just gonna tell you what I did. So the CV axle, the thread on it used to be longer. It used to be to about right here, like just a couple millimeters longer. And that was the part where the thread was bad. The rest, it was good, but the front was bad. So what I did is I grounded off the entire 2 millimeters right over here. Just like that. It's flat. And now there is no bad thread. So when I bought a new nut because the old one was very bad. Customer is flying out the country tomorrow, so I had to fix it before I had to order anything. So that's the best way you can fix it. Super easy, and it's not dangerous at all. It's literally fine because all you're taking is just 2 millimeters, and I still locked the nut, so it's not going anywhere. Now it works just fine. It's very tight and it's good to go. This video helped. If it did, please subscribe to my channel so I can post more videos. That's how you guys can motivate me and support the channel. If you like the video as well, make sure you leave a like. Press that like button and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day. Bye.